The iPad, a laptop replacement? A lot of people is asking if the iPad with the latest iPad OS update is capable of replacing your laptop or even your desktop. So I decided to try to answer this question. I'm currently using the 6th gen iPad as my main computer. I have been using it since 2019. I bought it because I wanted to be able to take notes with the Logitech Crayon, which I think it's a much better choice than the Apple Pencil, because it basically has the same internal components of the Apple Pencil, plus aluminum construction and rugged design. That makes it more durable, and it's also cheaper. It only lacks pressure sensitivity, but I won't use that feature anyway. I also wanted to be able to run some great apps on a very portable and powerful device. I'm a mechanical engineering student, so I have to be able to run CAD software, and my app of choice is Shaper 3D. It is full of features, and they keep adding more and more with every update. I'll be making a separate video of Shaper 3D soon. I take notes and notability. I think it's a perfect choice for note-taking. And I'm also going to make a separate video of that app. I have all my notes organized and backed up in iCloud and Google Drive. I recently started making some videos, so I needed a good video editing software. I think the best app for that purpose is LumaFusion. You make one payment and the app is yours. You don't need to pay for a subscription like other apps. And it's full of features. It is like a mobile Final Cut Pro X that is perfectly optimized for iPad OS and iOS. I also use some Autodesk apps like AutoCAD and Fusion 360. The new Files app is excellent. Now with iPad OS, it supports external drives, so you can move your files like you normally do on a PC or laptop. The app needs some refinements that I think will be introduced with iPad OS 14 later this year. I just included productivity apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote for projects and homework. But I also have Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I also use my iPad for watching YouTube, Netflix, and other media consumption. Battery life is great. I'm getting around 8.5 hours of screen time, doing some work, watching videos, and even doing some high performance tasks like video editing, gaming, and CAD projects, which is more than enough for me. I recommend to get at least 128 gigs of internal storage if you want to use your iPad as your main device. Now you have mouse and trackpad support with iPad OS 13.4 that makes it even more like a laptop or even a desktop device. Every app is almost perfectly optimized, so you will get a really good experience. So the answer to the question at the beginning: yes, you can totally replace your laptop or even in some cases your desktop with the iPad. And you can even plug it to your monitor so you can have more space to work with. You can get the iPad 7th Gen for $249.99 on sale. There's no better computer in that price range, period. I highly recommend buying the Logitech Crayon instead of the Apple Pencil because it is more rugged, has almost the same features, it's cheaper, and it even supports the Pro models. I bought it because I don't need pressure sensitivity at all.